Good morning, students. Welcome to our online classes. Students, in previous live class, we start first chapter of our book. It is revision. So, student, because of this chapter is revision, so this is not required explanation. So, we will solve directly. Previous lecture we solved question 1 to 6. And I give you homework also from question 1 to 6, the remaining parts that I did not solved. I hope you all have done your homework in your fair copy. Now student, we will solve remaining questions. So we start from 7, question number 7. Firstly read this question number 7. Write the greatest 4-digit number from the following digits without repeating a digit. Means we have to make a number, greatest number, that is a 4-digit number, and we have not to repeat any digit from them. So firstly write it in rough copy and solve. This is a part, 2, 7, 8, 5, and we have to make it greatest 4-digit number without repeating any digit. Firstly 2, 7, 8, 5 for greatest number. For greatest number, students, in previous class I hope you learned how to solve this type of question. If you don't know, listen. For greatest number we have to put firstly greater digit of the group of number, from this group of number. So which digit is greater in this group? So as you know, 8 is greatest digit, so we have to put here greatest digit. After that, which digit is greater unless 8? So this is 7. After that, as usual, 5, and then 2. So for greatest number we have to put greater digit from the group of numbers, and after that smaller from this greatest digit, and put continuously. So this is 8752. Means this number is greatest number that made from this group of numbers. So this is final answer equal 8752. This is your answer. So student, this is the way to solve this question, and kindly solve the question like this. So student, we take one more question from question number 7, one more part. We take this part B. Part B is 3, 0, 8, 2, and it's also demanding greatest 4-digit number. So as you know, 3, 0, 8, 2, we have to make this number 4-digit greatest number. For greatest number, students, as you know, for greater number I told you we have to put here firstly greatest digit. So as you know, in this group 8 is the greater digit. After that number is smaller than 8, but greater than other remaining numbers. So 3 is greater than other remaining number and smaller than 8. Similarly, we put 2 and then 0, because 0 is smallest number of this group of digits. Okay, so we got here 8320, means 8320 is the greatest number that made from 3, 0, 8, 2. So student, this is greatest number. If this question is demanding smallest 4 digit number, so we put smaller digit firstly, and after that we put greater digit than first digit, and similarly. So for greatest number we have to put firstly greater number of digits, and for smaller number we have to firstly put smallest digit of the group. Okay students, I hope you understand how to solve this type of questions. So I solved only A and B parts, and you have to solve C and D part in your copy. Okay, now I am going to solve question number 8. And question number 8 is arrange the following in ascending order. So we take A part, that is firstly 5640, 195, 1740, 986. So student, for in ascending order you have to solve (5,640). So students, this is the numbers, and we have to make them in ascending order: 5,640, 195, 1,740 and 986. So firstly we have to write here ascending order. After that we put these numbers in order. So student, what is ascending order? In ascending order we put numbers firstly smaller, then greater, then greater. It means firstly we put smallest number of the group, then other numbers. So as you see in the question, 195 is the smallest number from the group, and after that we put number that is smaller than remaining numbers but greater than first number, and we put the third place that is greater than first and second but smaller than third, fourth. And in ascending order we give the place for largest number at the last. So as you see, 5640 is the greater than 3 numbers, so we put this number at the last. So this is the answer. So students, I hope you can arrange number in ascending order. So part B is your for homework. I hope you can solve the question number 8 part B. So student, now we take question number 9, that is arrange the following number following in descending order. Student, this is similar to question number 8. Now we take part A to solve 7,596, 7,695, 7,569 and 7,659. Firstly we wrote question, then solution. Student, in descending order this is opposite of ascending order, so In ascending order, we put firstly smallest number and we take the we put the largest number at the last. But in descending order, we put firstly largest number. So check the which number is largest number. Then 7500. So and 7600, and it is also 7600. So as you can see, 500 is smaller than 600. After that 7695, and this is 7659. So you can see 7695 is this is largest number. So for descending, order 7695, because this is largest number from this group. After that, as you can see, this is also 7600, and this is smaller than 7659 is smaller than 7695, but greater than both numbers. We have to follow this similar to question number 8, but this is opposite of that. So we have to put firstly greatest number, then greater, okay. So these two numbers, this is 7500 and this is also 7500. So this is 7596 and this is 69. So this is smaller. So in descending, we have to put the smaller number at the last. So firstly we put 7596, then 7569. Okay student, this is the way to solve descending order, and I know you can solve because you learn it in previous class also. So kindly solve part B of question number 8 and 9 in your pair copy. Now student, I hope you can solve question number 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So question number 10. Next question is question number 10. This is find the sum. So student, I know you can solve this question also, because this is addition. You have to add all questions. So student, kindly solve them in your fair copy. Question number 10, in this question you have to add, and question number 11, in this question you have to subtract. Now we take question number 12. One 657 multiple by 8. Student, for multiplication you have to take number one by one. This is 8 and this is 7. This is the sign of multiplication, and you have to multiply this number by 8. So firstly you have to read table of 8 with 7 times. So 8 7 ja 56. For 56 you have to write here unit place, means ones place here and tens place at the top. In 56, 5 is ones place, so we can write here, 6 is ones place, so we have to write here, and 5 is at tens place, so we have to write it here. This 5 is carry for next number. This 5 is carry for next number, means the tens of first number is carry of second number. After that you have to read table of 8 at the 5 times. So 8 5 ja 40. 40 plus 5 45. So you have to write 5 here, again 4 here as carry. 8 6 ja 42, 42 plus 4 6 46, then this 8 1 ja 8 plus 4 12. So student, this is your answer. So you have to write here like this, answer equal 12,656. Remaining questions we will solve in next video or next class. And if you are facing any problem to solve question number 1 to 12, then I will explain you in your next video or next lecture. Otherwise, you students, watch this video properly. Then I hope you can solve all question. So student, do the homework in your copy, in your fair copy. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.